How to use data quality dimension.
Organizations select the data quality dimensions and associated dimension thresholds based on their business context, requirements, and levels of risk. Note, each dimension is likely to have a different weighting, and in order to obtain an accurate measure of the quality of data, the organization will need to determine how much each dimension contributes to the data quality as a whole. A typical data quality assessment approach might be: 1. Identify which data items need to be assessed for data quality. Typically this will be data items deemed as critical to business operations and associated management reporting. 2. Assess which data quality dimensions to use and their associated weighting. 3. For each data quality dimension, define values or ranges representing good and bad quality data. Please note, as a data set may support multiple requirements, a number of different data quality assessments may need to be performed. 4. Apply the assessment criteria to the data items. 5. Review the results and determine if data quality is acceptable or not. 6. Where appropriate, take corrective actions. Example: clean the data and improve data handling processes to prevent future recurrences. 7. Repeat the above on a periodic basis to monitor trends in data quality. The outputs of different data quality checks may be required in order to determine how well the data support a particular business need. Data quality checks will not provide an effective assessment of fitness for purpose, if a particular business need is not adequately reflected in data quality rules. Similarly, when undertaking repeat data quality assessments, you should check to determine whether business data requirements have changed since the last assessment. Whilst most data quality dimensions can be assessed, by analyzing the data itself, assessing accuracy of data can only be achieved by either assessing the data against the actual thing it represents, for example, when an employee visits a branch, or assessing the data against an authoritative reference data set, for example, checking customer details against the official list of identification.